Alrighty, fellas and fellas, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team. If you're new here, welcome. Alright, just want to make this really quick. It'll be super quick. If you want to know if Denso 3381 spark plugs work very well for daily driving and pumping 100 shot of nitrous, I can only vouch for up to 100 shot of nitrous. That's all I've been running for the last year or so. So I've had these in for 1 year, no issue. That's all I gotta say. Daily driving, long trips, traveling, whatever, winter, summer, fall, whatever, raining, sleet, snow, no issues. All right, so I know they're not giving me an issue. I'm running a whole lot faster than I am versus a year ago, all right, from today. I ran my fastest time at the track. I'm hoping, you know, within the next year, probably on these same plugs, you know, I'll hit 12.99. That's what I'm hoping. All right, and if I do good, but I do plan on replacing the plugs because they're cheap. It's a cheap investment. All right, they're only like, I think in between $3 and $5 a piece versus what the Iridium or the other ones cost. All right, the upper class spark plugs, right? They're like super expensive. These, I think I could get out the door with, say you gotta buy 16 of them, so that's 3 to 5 by 16. It's 800, right? So versus 200, saving $100. All right, but they are cheap. All right, it's the cheap alternative. All right, hot damn hell yeah, they work. All right, damn.